Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by working with the best possible source. Higher resolution gives cleaner results. Use FFmpeg to extract a short sequence of frames, then inspect the subtitle area. Create a tight mask around the burned-in text so automated tools target only that region. Once done, save the sample frames and mask as separate folders. Make sure to keep file names sequential. This reduces trial time and lets you calibrate inpainting parameters before processing the full movie. Now you apply an inpainting model to every masked frame. Choose a stable neural model that supports temporal consistency so frames don't flicker. Set patch size and strength conservatively at first. Once you process a batch, run a temporal smoothing pass to blend changes across adjacent frames. This prevents jitter. If color or texture looks off, increase color match weight and reprocess only flagged frames. You'll iterate, change parameters, rerun, and compare before committing to the full encode. Reassemble the cleaned frames back into a video stream with FFmpeg and remux the original audio unchanged. You should watch the full sequence at playback speed, noting any frames that show artifacts, then perform manual touch-ups on those shots using a paint or rotoscope tool. If flicker persists, apply frame interpolation or temporal denoising to stabilize transitions. One troubleshooting tip: if artifacts remain after inpainting, regenerate masks slightly larger and rerun the model. This removes edge halos and fixes stubborn text remnants.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.